Our love story flourished, and from the love, our greatest blessing was born, our baby Crizel. I can still remember paano ako inalagaan ng Sir Chris niyo. During my pregnancy, he treated me like a queen, showering me with endless care and love. When our baby Crizel arrived, he cherished her like a princess and giving her all his love and attention. Siya mismo yung nagpapaligo, change of diaper, and nagtitimpla ng gatas. Kaya I'm sure whoever will cause Crizel sadness, hindi niya to palalagpasin. Maging sino man siguro yung manliligaw niya, siya yung princess niya. We were living a simple yet joyful life, and I had fully embraced being a homemaker, cooking, cleaning, nurturing our home while taking care of them every day. And ang Sir Chris nyo noon pa, mahilig na sa panabong na manok. So instead of having a garden, our house was surrounded of panabong na manok. Naging music ang mga tilaok sa amin. And lalong napabilib ako kay Sir Chris nyo na nakakabenta siya ng manok 1,000 pesos. Pero yung bili niya, 1,500. So, buti na lang talaga. Mahal na mahal ko ang Sir Chris mo. So, then I thought, why not follow my passion? Too. In 2017, our journey began a small laboratory where we started crafting lip tints. Instead of Sir Chris arms, ay mga tattoos. Sana ay mga swatches of vibrant shades ng lip tints. That was just the beginning. What started with the lip tints soon evolved into a full line of products, including soaps, perfumes, creams, lotion, toners. It became a family effort. Kasama namin ang mga anak namin na nagre-refill ng products sa jars, bottles, and so Crizel Lovemetics was born. A true labor of love and teamwork. Inaabot kami ng madaling araw. But despite the exhaustion, they were always happy to help, knowing their small wish is ordering burgers would be granted. Their joy was found in the simplest of things, and that made everything worthwhile. Our children were never spoiled. Napakabait nila. Madali silang kausap, very respectful, hindi sila pabili ng pabili kung ano-ano. They were contented with what they have. As a mother, their simple joys fuel my drive to work even harder. I seize every moment and opportunity that comes my way, never letting anything go to waste. My mind is always brimming with ideas, and I stay proactive and connecting with clients to keep the momentum going. Especially, unti-unti kaming nabubuo. Neo and Evo came to our lives. My family is not that perfect. Iba-iba man pinanggalingan, but they have strong bond as siblings, and we have that joy being together. Eventually, we received requests for food products, opening the door to the world of manufacturing. Along the way, we met people who were destined to be part of our journey, and from this, Crizel Manufacturing Corp was born. The people of Crizel Manufacturing Corp are tested by time and refined in heart and mind, just like pure gold. Maraming nawala, but those who stayed ay pinili ng Ama for the company. Napakabuti niya, no matter what challenges or obstacles thrown away, His guidance is always with us, ensuring we are never abandoned. Grabe ang naging pagsubok namin that time. especially sa amin ni Sir Jenyo, para kaming aso't pusa. Both standing firm in our principles. There was even a whole month that we without speaking. Paano ba naman? Gusto niya hawakan lahat ng department. And as you can see, 5 na lang yung bangs niya. So, mahirap naman. Baka sa stress tuluyan na. Gusto kasi niyan bida-bida. So, there were many hardships, but there were also countless blessings. Despite everything, we built a strong connection. Over time, significant changes took place, and he was genuinely happy with the results. Yung mga friends niya na pinagseselosan niya now handles their own respective companies. Like Shay, who is now leading our offset digital printing division with dedication and expertise. Kaya naitayo ang Lydia Jose Manufacturing for printing and packaging to cater to our food and cosmetics companies. Nagkaroon din ng Lydia Jose Flexible, led by Ate Renilyn. Lydia Jose Rigid, managed by our friend Kat. And also the Lydia Manufacturing RM provider and supplies, Ali and Joy. At syempre, ang pangarap ng Sir Chris natin na manukan ang Brazil Farmland. Led by Berta. The other woman of our Sir Chris. Tuloy na rin ang manok. And also, we also have Brazil Land Building, the commercial offices, and ang ating Madam, dear Jinger. As the companies continued to grow and the number of employees increased, we need to ensure that they all get compensated. That's when we established Salvation HR, led by Jairo. The person who witnessed every hardship I've been through bago naging kami ng Sir Chris noon. How I lost everything and how despite it all, found the strength to rise again. Ikaw, Jandro, yung nakakaalam ng lahat at kung ano ang purpose ko sa mundong ito. I was on the brink of losing both my life and hope because of the challenges I faced back then. But because of my children, I fought for my life. It's heartwarming to see the gratitude of the brand owners for their success, knowing that I prayed a part in it. It gives my life meaning, reminding me that I still have purpose, but people are not the same, and I was tested again. Some chose to live while others stayed and loved me even more. I would like to thank Miss A, me, Anna, Pavlox. You're the proof na hindi lang pagmamahal ang sukatan ng relationship, but also the willingness to choose each other. No matter what, pinili mong samahan ako instead na pabagsakin ako. Danny of Wellness Whispers. Kung broken ako and kausap kita, ayoko nang mag-entertain kasi I was scared to get broken again. But when we tried something new, grabe, bumagad. Salamat for boosting my confidence. And Kiray ng Hello Blue. Sabi mo, kaya mong palitan yung lahat ng nawala sa akin. Babalik at papalitan, asahan ko yan na. And lahat ng andito ngayon, na patuloy ang pagmamahal at pagmili sa amin. Grandeza, Passionate, Shalor, Radiant, Iro, Sis, nandiyan ka ba? Madison, Squinty, maraming salamat po sa inyo. To be honest, I've struggled this year, and as a way to keep myself from losing focus, we established Purple Hearts, a young child who stood tall as a little CEO princess. Time has passed so quickly. What began with the love between me and your Sir Chris has now blossomed into a young child successfully running her own run. You wouldn't believe that this child who turned out to be so talented came from us, which kept us thinking, kanino kaya siya nagmana? Sir Chris? Ang tanging kausap ko lang noon ay si Nice. Puro kadramahan, kakulitan, ang pinag-uusapan sa phone. Nandito siya ngayon for the company. Salamat, Mars. And because of Purple Hearts, I met so many amazing people. I'm no longer alone in the sales and marketing. Miss Ro, Andrea May, Jean, Moida, and Fatima have become part of this journey. Wala na akong ibang hihilingin pa. Kompleto na sila. Sa dami ng pagsubok sa buhay ko, napakabuti ng Ama. Huli naman ako sa magulang at totoong pamilya ko. Binigay niya ang tamang pamilya para sa akin. Ang Team Bahay, Team Crizel, Man of Food, Crizel, Man of Cosmetics, Team Lydia Jose, Offset Digital, Rigid, Flexible, RM Provider, MS Provider, Team Farmland, Team Locksmix, and Team Salvation. So tonight, as we close this year, I want to share with you all how grateful I am for making it through this year happily. No matter what problems comes into our lives, let us never lose hope. Huwag natin kalimutan manalangin, ang Ama ang tunay natin kakapin sa lahat at tagapagligtas. 7 years of leadership, 7 strong companies. Mabuhay Crizel Group of Companies. As we begin the year 2025, it marks the beginning of the terms of your Sir Charles Angelo Jorge, the CEO of the Crizel Group of Companies. Ang bilis ng panahon parang kailan lang. Kaya huwag mong pababayaan ang nasimulan namin ng Papa mo. And just like us, we hope you will give all your love and respect to your Sir Chris he deserves. And Sir Chris and I will never tire. We will continue to strive for excellence in the coming years, and I wish for a peaceful and prosperous 2025. Thank you so much, and let's enjoy the evening.
Ladies and gentlemen, di rin naman basta-basta ang desisyon ng magulang ko na binigay nila to sa akin, I proved them na may papatunayan ako na hindi lang nabuo tong kumpanya na dahil sa kanila, dito ako para tulungan sila at gabayan sila sa mga magagandang plano ng kumpanya. Kaya, as a new CEO, maraming salamat.
There you go, ladies and gentlemen. Once again, a round of applause for the CEO of Rizal Group of Companies, Mr. Charles Angelo M. George. Palakpakan po natin.
Ayun po, yun nga po, our mission and vision of this company na na-prove them na hindi lang to basta napunta sa akin na ay, tama nito, naging CEO kagad. I'm just learning lahat na the production, of course, the Rizalmano, kailangan natin malaman yan dahil ito yung talagang main progress ng kumpanya dahil talagang todo aral, talagang dapat aralin ko siya ng maigi. Hindi lang dahil sa production niya, all the legalities, all the papers of work, of course, the FDA, dapat hindi ko malaman yan. And then, all the company na nagkuha ko, na kami ng magulang ko, na gusto kong patunayan na hindi lang ako dito basta na binigay niya na to na posisyon na to. At ako, excited na rin ako sa mga kapatid ko na darating dahil we are different ages, pero pagdating nyo lang is talagang dito talaga mapupunta sa Rizal Group of Companies. And then, yung po, nagiging po maraming salamat po and coming of 2025. Sana marami po tayong magtagumpayan na marami pang mararating ng Rizal. Wala po, maraming salamat.
The 2025 Vision Board presentation by our CEO, Mr. Charles Angelo George. And at this point,